Minasan konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Today we will learn ha row of katakana ha, hi, fu, he, ho. First one ha. Ha. Example word hamburger. Hamburger means hamburger. Example sentence hamburger o tabimasu. Hamburger o tabimasu. I eat a hamburger. Hamburger o tabimasu. Next one he. He. Example word heater. Heater means heater. Example sentence heater o tsukemasu. Heater o tsukemasu. I turn on the heater. Heater o tsukemasu. Next we have fu. Fu. Example word fork. Fork means fork. Example sentence fork de tabemasu. Fork de tabemasu meaning I eat with a fork. Fork de tabemasu. Next one he. He. Example word helicopter. Helicopter means helicopter. Example sentence helicopter ni norimasu. Helicopter ni norimasu meaning I ride in a helicopter. Helicopter ni norimasu. Fifth one ho. Ho. Example word hoteru. Hoteru means hotel. Example sentence hoteru ni tomarimasu. Hoteru ni tomarimasu meaning I stay at a hotel. Hoteru ni tomarimasu. That's all for today's lesson. In the next video, we will learn the ma row of katakana. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, like, subscribe and click the bell icon. See you in the next video. Matane.